Here in this video, I'm going to install the Python on my system and will show you how you can install the Python and what are the required tools for installing Python. Open any of your favorite browser and search for Python, or go to this website python.org and in the download section, and you will find Python for a couple of operating systems such as for Windows, Linux, and for Mac as well. As I'm using Windows, this website automatically detected my operating system and shows me the download button for the Windows version of Python. Click on this download button and your downloading will be started right here. As I have already downloaded this setup because my internet speed is a bit slow. If I'm going to download and during the video, then it will be too much late. And we also need another tool for coding with Python that is known as VS Code. You can use any of your favorite code editor, but I'm going to use VS Code because I am very much friendly with this tool and I am using this tool a lot. And this is also available for Windows, Linux, and Mac as well. As I'm using Windows, I will select this Windows button, and this will redirect me into the download page. Here I have downloaded the Python and VS Code as well. First of all, I'm going to install the Python. Click on this install, and it will automatically install Python and all the related libraries. Just wait a little bit, and Python will be installed on your system. Now the Python is successfully installed, and the second tool we need VS Code. I'm going to install the VS Code as well. You have to click to accept this license because you don't have any other option to start installing. Click on next. You can select any of these options, but I leave this default and next. Once I click this install, this will start installing in this tool on my system, and I am not going to again install this tool on my system because I have already installed this, and will show you. After the installation, you will get in this interface for this tool called VS Code, and maybe you will get another interface for VS Code because I have installed a couple of extensions here for this bluish interface. Here, after installing this VS Code, you have to search for an extension called Python. You need this extension to coding with Python on VS Code. Search for this extension in this section and install this Python extension. Just only this one extension for the VS Code. And our installation is complete here, and see you guys in my next video.